Hi, GC News. Nima Obidia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwa and Bremo. Say we now subscribe to the channel now. Let's say over subscribe. The other hand say over click and the subscribe button. Now what belly notification. We have the latest news beyond also sa ebeke. Afu ya na like video my afi share my official so na when you na work. Afi yeko sima ba betuga NPP emu usao chese ensem ekoso pa na ya blante ba ko onu odi tintimai wo NPP muye pa na wodi simye tuga wo chese boni ben na NPP anya omo pa Kennedy chose Kennedy ekopa Ghana focho then ekoso blante ndi nsembe bra tuga chese Ashanti region no enye feta ground chese amafo go fudie papa no se nyeme ekoso no enye na enuti no wani pa ye Kennedy chose Kennedy ni woni na won papa Ghana focho yekuti asema ye abranti edi tuga FIS asemu ya APP wo APP yekuti asema wodi tuga muti rezo
bone bay ana MPP maye Ghana fo a mo se kende Japan ana nkodi moni mpachoma Kennedy wato no oye flag bearer say ya Bawumia ko Ashanti no friends na nye Kennedy ba second we saw hope and the Kennedy we di Bawumia no ko pachoma ana can say here on cause mess you on cause mess no di Bawumia me de akwa ko pacho e de amano na me to kan e bone na ke ko pass ache we ko support no na say na do ko na platform isu go and listen to the lawyer people of Kenya complain ko Japan listen there amount for that so pains woman because they feel and think say and some of the year credit ni say money they didn't expect credit to be able credit wo and sabu mama Kasemba confanchiro the NPP has done their research the Ashanti region is not a fertile grounds for them. No matter say the general secretary free her, the regional, the vice national organizer free her, the party chairman, so Nabucha free her, treasurer free her. You see, they know that the grounds are not fertile. I'm telling you, Shabu, they know the ground. I know what person said they want to re-energize the base. They want to now not that your mama couple my meeting. I'm going UPSC. Yeah, I didn't know for them could come fanti. I said Fanto. Maybe sir. So basically, I thought the crowd turn the crowd because he should tell you something. So they know that the base are not happy. A lot of people have registered their displeasure to the new patriotic party in Ashanti region. The Franco said, "Damoche resign. We have fed the NPP." And yes, a campaign chairman resign at this crucial moment. Do you know the kind of perception you create? Hey. Meaning say ni pan person be the president it's not manageable. People ask questions. The reason why Shagula say I resign from Solid TV. Because I'm not supposed to say yes for I can for or northern part. No family catch him say a lot of people from the northern part of Ghana they are not happy with how Bawumia campaign is being run. Let me say what say Bawumia your media. But say all the bigger positions are hailing to the southern part. Because the Bawumia campaign, no? Yes, the position, yes. Other party are full, I see. But Bawumia, the party not family. Shabu. Now they are also raising concerns. They also have issues with it. So Bawumia, why don't you allow us? Yes, also at your line. You also assume some positions. About Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. When him say Bawumia is Samina Bawumia. Yes. Madam Budo is a Kubujo, and I say, Waba Ashanti region, and I'm a fat to Costa Bus, they crew at the bus, Costa Bus, Bus and get Carat into it. And I'm so almost console, was it? At the boom, different or something. Yes, so much more, and the full man organizer. After that, now Bawumia and Kofuga started Omoka house and Casamonte. I've asked the photo. I'm telling you, it's not the be no okay party no, but other interests are more south in other movement campaign when I'm bringing was about somebody. Share Bawumia Corpus, never Bawumia Corpus, what the MPP free by Munako position. Yes, and what I'm there. Now Bawumia so and share many Bawumia, kissing 4 crowd more party come up like I'll silent them. More power I don't make county. Not young power in that's all yeah, bro. But Bawumia is not a politician, he's a technocrat. He was brought into the politics, whereby he's not a politician. 2 things. Another me film in Kwabrim. I've learned, I follow politics. There be a come say, me come on to them say me the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Ubedi. Me. Child say me and Kwanya Wadin. Me at Tinkomwa. Me the general secretary. I'll bring discipline and sanity into this party. Take this from me say. So me nyam nyame de me kwachamia. I'll be a general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. I'll bring discipline, I'll bring sanity into this particular party. That's what I call what you me say, but that time we don't tell me the answer to me say, I'll be a general secretary for the New Patriotic Party. I'll bring discipline. I'll put forward normal Tantana or party, Mugu party. No, me a general secretary, I have issues with him. Truth is a better pill. No crime back. But I didn't count one number about me. I won't be a kufa or cow in a number of members who didn't kind of crunch their papa. I didn't tell me to go kufa. Was I? It says in the kufa don't pay. Yes, by the it is true. No, pay. Yes, it is true. No, pay. But when the pressure was mounted on him, only any option to Koto and Wajatu. Chabu, but in a poor press, and initially a man for selling and lobby and pray. But I say, what's your opinion? I said, was a Catholic and Cabra. Meso penny papa when it comes to politics. What if you swing ye? Not Padu make me achieve and I put don't joke with him. Don't joke. Napo is building an empire in the New Patriotic Party, but I'm finding also. Not just a constituency, he's building an empire in the NPP. We listen to Safari and Akora, Nana B and Akora, Justin Kobe and Akora, Kodo Bajma and Akora. I want to get a lot of names. Regional chairman, region BRB. And if you look at every geographical hemisphere, you will see the good works of Napoleon handwriting in the party. In the party, but yes, but not outside, not on the land. That be party, no. So party in the quarter party first. Yes. And the other way you finito to simplicity. But Franco, Osha, dear, Equi, Baunia, Siano, MPP bars and air set, NDC bars in a set. Now to talk the air course will be asana. A bit my cigana. Shabu, Franco. Now I meet here, Papa, Duncan Williams. Yeah. You need them here, yeah. Was say, anyone who want to suppress the will of the people, who want to change the election, the outcome of the results, or want to rig the election and go on one channel. I also say I saw BVD Snibia, I say I because a man for that issue say. I feel any day right. I could be infa. Serial numbers also say. At the MP, we met me, you might do what that's animal. You know, say the Electoral Commission Office is a national security zone. And your police from Kanabomo, national security, army, police. You were surveillance, you will see TV cameras. Yet no could react the free home. And you see also, no could yard me. And you see also, I or manager party so musi. Nam say Ghana person that's to Ghana cocaine. Nam say Ghana person that's to Ghana kwani etimi chobi so kita cocaine. Now call police headquarters. Ade be chaka kwani say gungunti. This is the Ghana we are talking about. And Madam Jane that's to on na be declare elections. Me say that Jane nipa 8 ni wuya. And the Jane as the EC boss nipa 8 ni wuya. Dan kan am sakabi. Was say then it will be more than Kenya. But frankly I say, Mammy Jane, who he there? Baby, and this for you. Baby, and this for you. So move the figures in every volume. Nasa or more Dana. I'm not for the more release. You know my problem with NDC. Sometimes they are not serious. Open party back home soon is serious who move Yasia and NDC, and I'm going to tell you. NDC young. There be a what do much it for not being dear what is so many answer. Or more do much. They play with their minds, their integrity and credibility, their conscience. They joke with them. Now, no, by 2020. Yeah. So, NDC ni be we are going to see you. India. Almost say, Abano more winning. Or more winning Abano. And the EC for we are burning for the New Patriotic Party. And as idea, their supporters should walk straight to the EC office. One quest and Pido, one prima EC announcer results in Sanoman. Now, what they say, don't get up so big in the national chairman. What say? Almost started some collating 3 regions buying a machine classy. And the results of Quanic to Supreme Court. Maybe I know Casa, a good or for example, as some kind. Basically,
Ofusuampofu and the party, the NDC, the national, as well can see also, the national executive of the party. Or Mama Bonte, the Kalas Papa can true. Now, what can I say? I get a cowbet for one myself, the cowbet. Me say, I was say, almost all the papers they come to cut over him. And that's not from my massa. Miss Uncle Sanoman, what I do. I assume the Kosovo Monteba because you know, how about tea? Me say, okay, if I said, yeah, I said, look at your canning air true. Why is such a because of credibility and intelligence? Yes, and the fact of me, Madame Charlotte, I can't tell Charlotte, J. Or Charlotte to me. Because one thing can't say, this election since I hear a person, you won't and I say, presidential resource, it's more than 3 times. Presidential percentage won't do your checks. He changing more than 3 times. This kind of election, any small mistake that you do will bring serious problem in Ghana. I JP down kwa uwe. And what I'm going to say, oh say, me catch it. Oh say, guy no more suspect on the kunu. Yes, JP down kwa nipa baako. But I say Ghana police let me apprehend. Yes, some machines we me am pen machines they say. Next, Uncle Andy folk who say, bia the machines are yet maybe 24,000. Ye who see a number be an anchor one. A bet to me, I'm a nipper bro 2,000. Say, yeah, I make them. That is this kind of elections, my man, she's and yes, what you mistake about Okra.
Yo, Tifo, winning and somewhere apparently at the hour MPP, Papa, somewhere Koso, a party, and our done Eddie Achaga for. Because GC so and our head no, say we now subscribe. Let's just say over subscribe. Now, like in our share video, no, ama offer for so in your now head. Also, with me actually working a fire and some winning our home, comment boxing. Waiting in my next video.
Thanks for like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.